Oops, wait. Why my... Alright, good. So welcome back again into my live stream. Let's find some interesting question and let's see if I can help answering people problem. That's good. Alright, let's find let's go to the Facebook forum first. If there is no a really interesting question, I'm gonna move to the Bricks Builder forum website. Guys, if you have any question or if you just wanna chat with me, just please write on the chat box. Anyone also missing Instagram as social sharing option? I don't think we can share in to Instagram as Instagram post. Probably. Not really sure. CSS. I don't really have good knowledge about CSS. Query loop for menu item, yeah, we can. I would like to use query loop to create nav menu. Yes, you can. I already shared the solution that we can create a custom query and then choose that in a block, and then we get the we can retrieve the menu item, like a menu item title, menu item link, etc. Just go ahead to my website and see and search for the solution. I already put the code there. Quick question: However, I'm working up new free bricks template library and I want to avoid a mistake. What is the thing? Actually, regret importing a template. Paid class naming, yes. Paid class naming. Bloated DOM. Yeah, probably. Messy ID style. Yeah. We don't. If the style is attached to the ID, then it's kind of mess up. So in reality, sometimes I use that to also attach the style to the ID. It's bad practice, but yeah, sometimes I forget, sometimes I cannot find the class name which I want. So I just so it's happened that easy to attach the style to the ID. Genuinely grateful for all everything I've said in some commerce and the checkout page for Wednesday. So why is like this? Okay, so there is okay, the change answer. Yeah, I think this one. Let's see. So why on the checkout, like there is like one element that occupy the left side of this part. Let's see. So he said that on the checkout. Let's take a look at a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Let's see. What hell has happened here? Oh, you get this one. This one. Hey, it's weird. One, two, 1, 2. What is this? WooCommerce, WC WooCommerce Pay Express checkout wrapper. You got a problem with this? Yeah, I think something wrong with like probably the plugin override the template, the shortcode, the template which come from the shortcode. And then it's happened that it used a gap grid template column 50% auto, so one side is 60%, the other side is auto, so it will match the rest of the percentage of the width. It's kind of hard to either that I'm not sure about this, like what is this, like what is inside of this element like direct bank, cash on delivery. I don't see any other payment gateway method here. So if I could, yeah, nothing changed here. There's nothing showing up on this left up part of this section. In the worst case, probably you can we use like order 3? Yeah, you can use order 3 in worst case, but you need to check what's happening here in this element. If we choose something, it will show something. Yeah, you need to figuring it out first. But for a quick solution, you can just use order and then make the first div move to the last order. So in this case it's 1 to 3, move it to the 3. So I think that will solve the problem. Alright, let's move brick farm element. I think we already saw this yesterday. I think, yeah. Let's go to the brick forum. I think we are done with this. There's no new question, I believe. Yeah. Let's find some other things on the bricks forum. Oh fuck, why is it slow? Alright, bugs, itu request improvement. Let's see on the bug. Probably I don't know the new bug that they introduced on the latest update. Nested loop failing as immediate child in slot. Slot, what's the slot? Not sure it's the SS issue. Nah, I'm not interested with the bug. Okay, let's go to the feature request probably. Let's see if somebody asked the question. I think not this one. How to? Okay, let's see on how to section. WooCommerce custom card, the PHP template, removing article wrapper tag. So the tag was coming from Bricks template part page. You have to override this too if you want to eliminate any short. Otherwise, you can edit your card page with P and then use short for the element, shortcode something for the checkout. Okay. Image data size. It seems that the data added to image by Bricks are also the biggest image size selected, independently of the view. The browser not selecting right. And if I'm doing something wrong, the browser not selecting right. Oh yeah. Let's see. Sure, why not? Let's see. Not interesting. I'm not interested with the image. Because I know that if we talk about the image size, then the purpose is that we load the as small as possible the size of the image, and for the purpose of to make our web page loaded quickly as fast as possible. So let's see here. So they say we have like so set this one. Wait. Okay, this is the thumb. Okay, let's see this one. This is using the, I think this is the original size. Okay. If I use the mobile, what size do the browser serve? How do I? I think this one. No. How do we know? Like, oh yeah, we can see on the network, right? Yeah. Yeah, he's right. No. Yeah, it's right. Like, this is the file that loaded. But I'm sure I have it generate 150 pixel for the thumbnail size. So right, I'm sure I have this. Yeah, I have this one. I have this size. But why it doesn't load it here? Do I misunderstood something? This one should be loaded the thumbnail size, which is a 150 pixel to the 150 pixel. That's interesting. Is it possible to see which source set image a browser using? Ah, yeah, this one. Property. Okay. So we learn something. If you find yourself in this one, select the element. Select the element in the DevTool console. Okay, let's see. As I select this image. Okay. Oh fuck. Okay, select this image element. Go to console and then. Okay, the result is this. This is the full size of the image. Let's use a small screen. Alright. Interesting. If I just push the screen to this. Interesting. Well, I need to know what is the source set anyway, how it's work. An improvement will be display crop version of the image, which display the important details of the image when the set is viewed on the narrow screen. Second crop image could be displayed for a medium with screen device like tablet. Okay. The general problem whereby you want a different crop image in that way for various layout is called art direction problem. No need to embed such a large image on the page if it's being viewed. Yes, doing so can waste bandwidth. Agree. In particular, mobile users don't want to waste bandwidth by downloading large image in time for desktop user. True. A small image would do. small. Okay, might think that the victim is so the problem. Um. All right. Resolution. This is complicated and not hard to understand if you format the mesh if both with different part of the input value. An image file name. Okay, so this is like file name. This is the file. Okay, so this is the original. This is the largest the largest file size. Alright, if width is smaller than 600, then use 480 pixel. Okay, so this wait, so that's mean if it's smaller, if the size is smaller than 600, it will use this file name. And what is this? A space image intrinsic within pixel. Okay, note that this use the W unit, not pixel. Okay, let's see. Hey, so if you take a look at this 400, so if it less than 400 pixel, then use this. If it less than 150, oh wait, no, if it less than, if the screen is less than 150 pixel, then use the thumbnail size. Okay, so if this is the screen width is less than 150, it's 124. If I I see, so that's how it works. I need to see on the value of this source set. So if it's less than 400 width, if it's less than 300 width, wait, if it's less than 150 width or 150 pixel, wait, I'm not really sure about that. Why it doesn't use 150 pixel? Max width 400 pixel. Okay. All right, let's use ChatGPT and explain to us. Explain. Guys, don't smoke. It's bad for your health. EMG tag to tell the browser to display the image. Source, this is the main image URL. Okay, so this is the full the original file URL with 400 800. This define the display size. Okay, this provide a multiple image size so the browser can choose the best one. Small image, this help. Wait, if the screen width is 4 or less, image will take 100% viewport. Okay. If the screen width is less than 4, less or equal to 400, image will take 100%. Okay, I understand. Otherwise, image will be 400 pixel wide, so it's not 100% already. So if here, no, is that because if the screen width is I don't understand. I don't understand. Here, small image if wait. So explain more. Oh, so it will pick the closest match with the option that it has. So if it's 300, it will. Oh no. Let's say put our screen to 100 pixel, and let's see, it's still 300. If screen is 100 pixel, what size? Real world scenario. Even on the 100 pixel screen, low resolution device will use 100 low resolution. Okay, so it would so if you're using 100 pixel, so that the browser will know that it would look slightly blurry. So the browser will still choose 300 pixel size. I don't know what's different is this. Device example. Some cheap tablet. I see now, I see. Budget Android phone. I think that's my phone. That's my phone. I'm using the old Android phone, lowest budget, very cheap device, but the functionality is working fine, so it's okay. Even a 4K can still load 300 with image if the image is developed like okay. So I know. So it's depend on, first it's depend on device. Even if we have like 100 pixel, let's say if are using 400, so the browser will, okay, so this is the question. Does it will use a 400 pixel size or 300 pixel size? Okay, it will use full, because the full, let's see, if we use 400, it still use the full. 390 should be full. Okay, this one should be full size. This one, it should be full. See, it's still full, but do we have like pixels? Okay, 36, it will use full. Okay, if I use responsive and then choose 35, 357, it is still use full. If I scroll to 330, it will still scroll full. If 270, it will still full. Okay. Okay, now when the right. How about 150? Oh, okay. So when the device is 150, it will use 300. But when it's more than 150, it will use full. Right. I just a little bit understand. But I need probably some real world example. But I do know, understand a little bit about this image data size. Man, this is the same. Max with attribute. Max with, no. Why? I know, let's skip it. I just have a little bit understanding about that. Missing CSS when loading bricks template via, yeah. Okay, this is question. Look like interesting question. I'm trying to solve the problem with the loading part of the page, which randomly generated content. More and more often I receive requests from the display randomize data in a certain section page. Right, so the issue is when the template is loaded via Ajax, the element itself, the DOM is correctly, but the styling is not showing up. When it's a template shortcode into the test page, I don't think it's loaded yet, so I can solve the information taken from the case fee solution. Template loaded via Ajax. The visual styling is generated. Okay, so this is his function. So when the page is loaded, it will fetch the template via webPageJSON, and then it will find the existing element on the page, and it will append the content of the template to this element. So it will happen inside this element as a child element. Yeah, of course it's one. You are not right because so it's not loaded. The style is not loaded. How can the style can be loaded? Why not using custom element? Oh, so many. Ooh, register as route custom. Okay, so actually we can. Interesting. We can load element. Not using Bricks native like shortcut or anything, but we can create a function for that. Ayak Bricks template enqueue script get style sheet directory URI asset js ayak Bricks template. So we create a file. Okay, so this is the JS file, and we put on this, and how the CSS will load it. Okay, so this one, database get data if empty element is right element error select template front end asset. Okay, this one, I think this one, inline CSS dynamic data. Well, it's look cool. Breaks one more. Okay, this guy answering a good code. I think this might be solve the problem, but you need to check it. Lightbox Photoshop doesn't recognize newly loaded image after load more in query loop. How can I reinitialize the built-in photo swipe lightbox after dynamically loading more image in after clicking CO load more, the rest of the image will be loaded but not visible because I added display on. Bricks run all script. Oh, okay. Bricks doesn't expose photo swipe instance the way Splite. Okay. This guy again. He's really smart. Well, it's really cool. Wait, see all? How? See all. It's okay, see all, and then the image in loop get loaded but not visible because I added display none. After clicking see all, the rest of the image in loop get loaded but not visible because I only want to show all the image in the lightbox. Unfortunately, this does not load the image after clicking. How we can do that? Is this like the WooCommerce gallery or something? Okay, let's see if we can do that. Oh, we can use to query the media library image on the media library. Let's see. Ah, frick. Load more images. More images, look. Okay, let's see. The first is we query the image, right? So query loop. Let's say where was media. Image dynamic dynamic data is post ID. Okay, so let's just put like four for now, and make it grid. Let's say repeat for oh uh, uh. All right, so this one 1 2 3 4, and then what? So let's say I create button like this, right? Button. And then this button interaction on click action load more query loop. Okay. Okay. Why the image is like duplicate 5 to 5. Oh, different image, bro. Sorry, different image. Yeah, it's different image, but it should be on the photo swipe. Okay, so when I click this, what? Link type lightbox image, lightbox ID, let's say gallery 1, and we are gonna put this image link to lightbox ID gallery 1. Okay, no, I'm not sure. Okay, 1 2 3 4 empty 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 4 empty 1 2 3. Oh yeah, I think it's look like this, yeah. 1 2 3 4 empty 1 2 3 4 empty. One, 2, 3. Hmm. Why? How is the question? The rest of the image in the log get loaded. How can I reinitialize log only the image after clicking? Oh, oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, why? I click this. I only can scroll to the this. Let's see. Div nth nth child plus 4. This one or wrong? I think it's wrong. Okay. Okay, so if I click this, sorry, we have like 1, 2, 3 image right now. 4. If I click this, the photo swipe only load the image on the first row. Huh? Why? Why? Hmm. Interesting. n plus 5, freaking n plus 4. Yeah. When we load, okay, so let's see, does if query ID or target query ID, you want to big function, you can use your own and expose your own photo swipe and expose the instance globally. Let's just put the code on page setting here. My query is this one. My target query is this. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. No. Bricks Aya query result display. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. No, I don't think. I don't think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I click this. No, if I click this. No, doesn't work. Can we? Yeah, the question is how to reinitialize. Okay, let's just use ChatGPT. Your okay, put the ID here and we can see that. Why is not behind? Oh, Aya. I mean, Aya. I mean, Aya. Yeah, I mean, I'm using Aya. Why? If click load more query loop. Why? What does what? But it's still categorized as an Ajax, right? Click here. See? Click action load more. Load more query data interaction ID. Is it wrong? Or does the script is load? Yes, loaded. It doesn't even fire the Ajax. script document add event listener. Aya query result. Aya query result display. Yeah. Wait. Infinite scroll. Ayak filter event. Ayak pagination. Ayak pop up. No, it's not. It's not that. Ayak query result display. Ayak query result. Ayak start. Can we change to Ayak start? Just curious to make sure that we fire the right function. Okay, yeah. Ayak start. So it's not using bricks Ayak start. So if the Ayak is start, auto swipe initialize 1 2 3 4 5. No, auto swipe initialize. Okay. We click that. The top photo swipe should be getting the new element or the new item loop item that wait, how photo swipe yeah. Hmm. This is what maybe this is what we actually need. The filter num item of total slide. So the image doesn't need to load when we click the button. It should load when we click the arrow or the pagination. But we need Facebook module. Lightbox add filter num item. Item data. Num item and override the slide and item data will trigger every time photo swipe. Okay, if I open query, we show the query. Show the query. If I have for image, no. It's better um to use Ajax to load the image. Like, can we um load this white? And in bricks, that's actually the right way to do it when you very low. You don't load bricks load query content via Ajax, image and markup append. You rebind photo swipe to the new element. If photo brick. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Let's see. No, it doesn't fire. So this no such a function is happening. Let's see on the event listener. Hey. What more? Yeah. No. Query result display. Oh, uploaded. Brick Ajax query underscore result display. Console log Ajax done. Nice. It's not work. Load page, probably this one. See? Uh-huh. Why? Can we destroy first? Destroy. Probably, yeah. So many typo. Not sure about this code. I'm not convinced by this AI things. Okay. Hmm. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is blank. This one is blank. Okay. Huh? Still 5? Why? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Why you think I have like 5 elements? Hmm. Why there is 5? Counter is 5. Why? Okay. How is I apps? Bricks query. How if we are using? Mhm. Let's see the filter or action. Hey, I know, like I know the clue. The first clue is um we can use this. So if the arrow is click like left or right, and then we run out the Ajax by ourselves, getting the data, which is okay. Let's see if I click this. Okay, see when the click arrow, this query load more should be um, running through our arrow. Interaction. Mm. Oh. Um, wait. Load more query. Data query element ID. It's pagination. It's different. I don't understand. Let's just ask AI. Should be learn lot more query, learn lot more lot more query, how the AI is works. Oops, wrong. Next, okay, supported action value. Next, move to the next slide. Probably we can use this. Next. Now I have complex understanding of how. Okay, good. So I have wait. Oh, okay. And then let's image element image light box. So also learn how light box work. Let's write um can be a lot more query if light box or left. If we are near the end of the current gully, hey, make new file for that symbol. Why it's so long? Why it's so long? What? Uh, I'm not sure. Let's try. Well, it's worth to try. Of course. Of course, it's not. It will not work. Mm-hmm. Damn it, I don't understand. Listen when a gallery is destroyed and remove all its there's more listen to it. Wait. No. let's make a different approach. Let's go back using JavaScript. Destroy. Oh, okay. Wait, wait, wait. Huh? It doesn't work? Oh, why? It's only work once? Wait, click this. Okay, we got. Click this. Oh, it's stuck. Uh, why it's only run once? Why it's run once? Okay, so I need to change to Ajax complete probably. Let's see. Or Ajax N. Okay. One. Okay. Okay. All right. We have some a green light probably. Okay. Let's see. This will better. Facebook open and close. It should open before not quite right. On button. Yep. Alright, so I cannot bind this button to the sorry, to the okay. I mean, it's work, but not the one I expected. Wait, is this even lazy loaded? Okay, I have 4 image now. I click this. Okay. Wait. How do I query post for page 4? Load more query. Interesting. Wait. We can do something like this. If the ayak is n, ini foto swipe, oh ya. Can it breaks ayak? This is the counter element. Oh no. No. Oh yeah, counter. Um, break helper get Ajax current page. Element setting. Damn it. No, I don't think so. I don't think this is the right one. Um, I don't know. I don't know. Probably I will continue again, but probably I will start by see this file apps.php. I need to know how they render the loop when the load more is clicked, or when the load more is happening. So probably I can make a custom function to attach the similar way to the arrow of the light box. So I think that will be the coolest solution out there, but let's see if I can do this. Probably I will continue again tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching this video, this live stream. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.